Okay, good morning dear cadets. So yesterday I taught you different types of circuits. Switch also I taught, but definition I have not told. So today I am teaching you what is switch. Switch is the simple device that either breaks the circuit or complete it. Okay, yesterday you made the diagram of switch, isn't it? But definition you have not written. So today first only I am telling you what are the switch. Switches are nothing but a simple device that either breaks the circuit or complete it. Now basically I have to teach you what are the conductors and what are the insulators. So before teaching you the definition of conductors and insulator, let us do one activity. Okay, just see, yesterday only we make the circuit. We make the circuit or not? Okay, now just try to understand. This is cell. Okay, and now this is the wire. Here bulb is connected. Only switch is not there. Everything is there, switch is not there. Okay, now this is simple LED bulb. You collect some materials. Those material, it doesn't mean that whatever material I wrote here, those materials should be collected. Other material can also be collected. Coin, cork, rubber, glass, keys, pins, plastic, scale, wooden block, glass bangle, aluminium foil, candle, thermocol, paper. These material you collect. Okay, now do one thing. Okay, now here everything is there, switch is not there. Okay, so now one material, first I am taking coin here and putting the coin between these two wires. So try to understand here, when the means material is not there in between these two wires and, okay, so they should not be connected. Now the moment you put here coin, then these two wires, two ends of these wires will be connected through the coin. Okay, now circuit will be completed. Okay, now if material you have put here and wires you have connected with that material, if bulb glows, it means material is conductor. Okay, if bulb does not glow, it means material is insulator. Okay, so what are the conductor? Conductors are the materials which allow the electricity to pass through themselves. Okay, if bulb glows, it means that material has allowed the electricity to pass through themselves, and now circuit will be completed and current will flow in the entire circuit and bulb will glow. Okay, so the conductors are the materials which allow the electricity to pass through themselves. Okay, so now in this box you have to write these materials, which are conductor, which are insulator. Again I am telling, if you would have been here, same activity we could have conducted in the class or in the lab. Now since you are not there, so these material you can collect. If possible, make like that circuit and do the experiment, do the activity. Okay, what are the insulators? Insulators are the materials which do not allow the electricity to pass through themselves. Opposite of conductor is insulator. Insulator, they do not allow electricity to pass through themselves. Okay, so first material I took coin here and bulb glows. So what is the bulb here? What is the coin here? Coin is here conductor, coin. Next material is cork. Put the cork here. Connect with the cork, connect two end of free wires. Bulb glows or not? Bulb will not glow because cork is insulator. Cork is insulator. Which is conductor and which is insulator? It depends upon material by which they are made up of. Coin is made up of metals, and metals are good conductor of electricity. That is why coin is falls under the category of conductor. Cork is made up of rubber or some other things, and rubber is bad conductor of electricity. That is why they are insulator. So conductor, they are allowing electricity to pass through themselves. Insulator, they do not allow electricity to pass through themselves. Glass, take one glass material and put here between these two end of wires. Again what you will see, bulb does not glow. So glass will also comes under this category only, insulator. Next one is keys. Put here keys, simple key, any key. Suppose I am putting my key only. This is key, okay. I put here key, any other key. This is the key, okay. Now if wire is connected and bulb glows, it means what is there? Now this is good conductor of electricity, and because it is made up of iron, so write here key is conductor. Next one is pins, okay. Pin is also made up of metals only, so pin will also comes under this category. Next one is plastic scale. Scale you are using or not, it is made up of plastic. Is it bulb will not glow, so here write plastic scale. Next one is wooden block. Wood is also bad conductor only. When you put here wooden block, bulb will not glow. So now here what is there? Wooden block. Next one is glass bangle. Glass bangle also bad conductor only, so write here glass bangle. Bulb will not glow. Next one is aluminium foil. Put here aluminium foil. Aluminium is metal, it will be good conductor, so aluminium foil, this is good conductor, okay. Next one is candle. Put here, candle is made up of wax, and that is bad conductor of electricity, hence insulator. So here put candle. Next one is thermocol. Thermocol put here, that is also bad conductor only, so write thermocol. This is also insulator. Paper is also insulator only, bulb will not glow. Paper, okay. So these are the materials. When they are put here, bulb will glow, means they are allowing electricity to pass through themselves, that is why they are conductor. When you put these sets of material here, electricity will not pass through themselves and bulb will not glow, that is why they are insulators, okay. Activity is completed, okay. So now just try to understand. In this way your chapter is also completed except NCERT exercise. Now questions. So basically today 2 questions are there. Number 1 question is what are conductors? Write some examples. And what are insulators? Write some examples, okay. These are the 2 questions and you should write it. What is switch also you can write. So the first question is question number 1. What is switch? What is switch? Now question number 2. What are conductor? What are conductors? What are conductors? Give examples. Next one is question number 3. What are insulators? Give examples. Okay. So just see 3 question answer you have to write. Examples already I segregated here. These examples you can write. I don't have any problem if you are writing other example. Human body also will come under this category only. So just that is why whenever we are touching the naked wire of electricity, so we are getting the shock. So here you can write human body also. Human body. Okay. So chapter is completed. NCERT exercise I will complete in next week. Okay. So please write down these examples and diagrams, everything just you have to prepare. If any doubt is there, you can ask, and NCERT exercise I will complete in next week. Thank you.